Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yum Clear soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients and prepare them. This simple method ensures a quick and delicious meal. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create this authentic Thai dish right in your own kitchen. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. For our easy Tom Yum, you'll need fresh shrimp or chicken, about 1/2 pound for your protein. Essential aromatics include 2 stalks of lemongrass, a 2-inch piece of galangal, and 4 kaffir lime leaves. Don't forget 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and the juice of 2 limes. A few fresh bird's eye chilies will add that signature heat. Start by bringing 4 cups of water to a boil. Add your prepared lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves, letting them simmer for about 5 minutes to infuse the broth. Next, add your shrimp or chicken and mushrooms, cooking until the protein is just done. Finally, stir in the fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and chilies. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Once your Tom Yum Clear soup is perfectly seasoned, it's ready to serve. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro or thinly sliced spring onions for a pop of color and extra freshness. This delightful soup can be enjoyed hot as a light starter or a satisfying main course. It pairs wonderfully with a side of fluffy steamed jasmine rice. Savor every spoonful of this vibrant and refreshing dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.